Morning, good morning, good morning. Today is March 25th, Monday, March 25th, 2024. So, just took a few days off and back with the real estate tap in. Looks like mortgage rates still right around 7%. Also, it looks like more homes are coming to market, which around this time of the year, you can anticipate, homes being sold, coming to market. So we're gonna, see how that affects the market. With interest rates are still a little bit higher and homes coming on the market, we'll have to see if that, affects, pricing in any way. The Fed is going to eventually cut rates, most likely the next time that they meet, which will be dead smack in the middle of probably June, which is the season for selling and buying homes. So that's going to be interesting to see if they do cut the rate and where mortgage rates go. The thing that you probably want to look at more closely is the 10-year yield. Mortgage rates usually are in within about maybe 2 to 3 points of the 10-year yield. So you want to maybe keep your eye on that to get a gauge of where interest rates may go. 10-year yield comes down, then mortgage rates will come down. But then how will that affect pricing? Will we start to see that boost in terms of pricing? Because obviously more people are getting qualified. It's not costing as much. It's coming down if the Fed does cut the rate. So will that spike have prices spike? So it's going to be interesting to see how this whole thing plays out. But I'm working on finishing up. I'm going to be doing a presentation on real estate notes and investing in real estate notes. I'm going to be going through why you would want to do it now, how we structure the deals and things like that. It'll probably be like a 30 to 45 minute presentation. I'm going to finish that up this week. I'm going to, go live and do this presentation. I'm going to do it in full, and then I'm probably going to break it down, over the next, couple of weeks as well. So if anybody is interested in learning about notes and why notes is a good time, look for me to go live with this presentation. It'll probably be next week, probably next Tuesday when I go live at 8:15 Eastern. I just want to, work on it this week and make sure I got, all the information in there. But that's going to be coming out soon, because now is the time. If you do have, money to invest and looking for opportunities, there's a lot of things over on the note side of real estate that would interest you. Can get you a solid return, 7-8%. If you have money sitting somewhere, if you have a 401k or something like that, you want to try and get it over into the note industry, because even if things go south, with the economy and with real estate, you always have the property. You can always get the property back and then be able to, execute some other exit strategies if need be, but you have that asset that'll be worth something. And because of how we structure and where we like to have people purchase at, we can withstand, some type of dip in the market and still be protected. So you really should think about it. Like I said, if you are someone that has a retirement account, not retiring maybe for, the next 10 or 15 years, something like that, or even if you are thinking about retiring in less time, you could see your account grow pretty quickly with real estate notes. So, look for that presentation, and, go to my YouTube channel, Abundant Capital Group. There's videos on there that kind of go through everything. The whole process is like a 7 or 8 part training course in there as well, that'll take you from beginning to end. So definitely look into it. I think it's a great time. Everything with the market right now, banks are having issues, they're tightening up, so we all can become banks right now. And usually a bank doesn't lose. You know, if you do things right, if you protect yourself, you know, obviously some banks have failed, but that's just because, you know, they're getting a little too greedy and, you know, taking on too much risk. But if we manage that properly, you know, we all can be a bank. So, all right, I'll talk to everybody soon. Have a great rest of your day.